Unit 4, the Western Desert. In this chapter, we will learn about a desert is a flat area covered with loose sand. India has a huge desert to the southwest of the northern plains. This is the Indian Desert. It is also known as the Thar Desert. It stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the border of Haryana. It covers a large part of Rajasthan. There are small hills of loose sand called sand dunes in a desert. They are of many shapes and sizes. Hot and dry winds blow here. They carry large amount of sand from one place to another. These winds can move the sand dunes from one place to another. There are very few streams in the desert. They mostly remain dry. At some places, underground water comes to the surface. These places are called oases, plural of oasis. Date palms grow here. The land around an oasis is fertile. We can see villages near oases. The desert regions remain hot and dry throughout the year. The sun heats the sand. Sand becomes hot very quickly. It also cools down very quickly at night. Thus, the days in summer are very hot, but nights are cool. The hot dusty winds blow all over the day in summer. In winter, the days are warm, but the nights are too cold. Thus, climate in the desert swings between extremes. A hot and dry climate means that big trees cannot grow. Only plants that can survive on little water grow here, such as cactus. There is very little rainfall on any desert. There are few deep wells at some places, so water is always in short supply there. Village women walk long distances to get water for domestic use. The state government of Rajasthan is trying to provide water not only for household use but also to irrigate the fields. Water from the river Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Rajasthan Canal, also called the Indira Gandhi Canal. The canal is helping farmers to grow different crops like wheat, jowar, and bajra, and it has made large part of Rajasthan green. Places which get very little rainfall gradually becomes deserts. Cutting of trees and overgrazing are the reason for the spread of desert areas. Life in the region. Life in a desert is very hard. People rear goats, sheep, and camels. They keep on moving from place to place in search of food, fodder, and grass. The people are called banjaras. Some of them are good blacksmiths. They make and sell iron articles. They travel from village to village in decorated carts. They are called Gaudelia Luhar. Camels are the most useful animals in a desert. They have padded feet which make it easy for them to walk on the sand. They are used by the Rajasthani farmers in their fields and for carrying heavy load. They are also used by a group of people for traveling long distances across a desert. Such groups are known as caravans. The camel is rightly called the ship of the desert. The people of Rajasthan wear colorful clothes. The women wear a long brightly colored skirt or a lehenga, a blouse and a chunni or odhni. The men wear a dhoti, kurta and a turban which is worn in a particular manner more like a headgear. The people speak Hindi and Rajasthani dialect. They celebrate many festivals and fairs. They celebrate Dashera, Diwali, Holi and Eid. Ganguar and Tej are special festivals of women. Ganguar is celebrated in March, the month of harvesting wheat and grams. Tej comes in July, August, the month of rain. All women are seen on the swings with special makeup and dress. People love singing and dancing. Ghumar is a popular dance of Rajasthan. Katputli, puppet, players of Rajasthan are famous all over India. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is also called the Pink City. Rajasthan is famous for its palaces, temples and forts. Other important places of Rajasthan are Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Ajmer, Sodhpur and Bikaner. The region has a number of forts and places built by the Rajput kings who ruled in this region long ago. A large number of tourists from all over the world visit Rajasthan every year. New words: sand dunes, small hills of sand; oasis, fertile area in a desert where underground water is available; overgrazing, excessive grazing by animals. Recap: Thar Desert stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. The land around an oasis is fertile. We can see some villages near an oasis. Village women walk long distance to get water for domestic use. Banjaras keep on moving from place to place in search of food, fodder and grass. Ganguar and Tej are special festivals of women in Rajasthan. Ghumar is a popular dance of Rajasthan. Rajasthan has a number of forts and palaces built by the Rajput kings who ruled in this region long ago. The camel is called the ship of the desert. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is also called the Pink City. Ganguar is celebrated in March, the month of harvesting wheat and grams.